Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashmi and today's video is all about converting a waste box into a makeup organizer, or you can say any organizer. So this is the organizer that I made. So if you are interested to know how I make this organizer, तो चलिए देखते हैं मैंने कैसे ये बॉक्स को बनाया है. Let's get started.
Just like the lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
So guys, that's it about today's video. एंड आई होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, और अगर अच्छा लगा है तो डेफिनेटली कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माय चैनल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन so you never miss my video anytime I will be uploading video. We will be meeting in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye and stay positive.
The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride. Savannah.